guys, so today we're going to do the Pennywise sort of makeup clown look. So we're going to start off with a pale foundation just covering your face. Now I'm using Primark's Mineral Perfect powder just to hold it all in place. Now we're going to use contour / bronzing, just both on either sides of the cheek and then either sides of the temple, just to make a more hollowed look. Don't worry if it just looks like lines, because now we're going to blend it out. So just blend until it's smooth. Now we're just going to do our eyebrows like normal. I tend to do 2 lines at the top and the bottom and then use the brush to shade it all in. Now we're going to use a cheap red lipstick and we're just going to draw 2 lines across down our eyes. Try and go as close to the lid as possible. It doesn't matter if they're even because obviously Pennywise is dodgy and we're going for the dodgy look. Then with the same lipstick just use it for your lips. Don't worry if it's messy because we're going to mess it up anyway. And I'm pretty sure a murderous clown ain't worrying. Now we're using the same dark brown that we used before and we're just going to smudge it with the lipstick to make a more protruding effect. It also makes it look a bit more bloody and old. So we're just doing that to the same to the top and doing underneath the eyes just to make sure that you've got that sunken, scary look. Now just from the outer corner of the lips, you want to start blending outwards with the same brown that you've just used on your brush. This will create a Chelsea smile effect if you use it from the sides. Now we're using the orange from the Revolution Salvation palette and we're just going to smudge that in the top of the lid. This is creating the eyes, making it have a sunken look. And now we're using the dark purple and just doing that on the inner corners of the eye. Just further put in some orange and here's the final look. Stay spooky and see you next time!